Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dance
That you know. I lost money this Jago thief. And people, I van you do things, and I go like to Shina do nothing. Because she rob much people. And to show you, if it show me straightforward, I'm a one when me attack things them, people can say, I don't lie, me I tell, me make sure tell the people them say, you're sure, say she take your money. Send me receipt, send me chat and them something there. And the people them just send me everything. So you know what, me I go to post everything and make the world know say she a thief people money. Me then no long chatting to my own, you know. But just a sit down and hold a meds and say what I want. But Ivani, I rank somebody a thief. I rank somebody a try thief. Rank somebody. Them a go kill you, you know. Them a go kill you. Them a go kill you. Cause if I saw you, I go, oh, so wait there. You hack my friend page. You hacking on my friend page. And you start post and talk about say you are going to promote people business, and you are going to promote, and you are going to sell page, and you are going to do this, and you are going to do this. So you're hacking on my friend page say thief our money from our fans them and everything now. So when you post now, people are say, alright, she said she are going to do this and that now. And when them send them blow out money, you just block them same time. What kind of business you are doing? I don't understand. What kind of business you are doing? What kind of business you are doing? If they go around and have people page and have people send you money and say them I buy page for you, and you're not send them the page. You just take them money and block them.
That's a fraud.
What kind of business woman you be if a business you are doing? A fraud of course.
That is fraud.
What kind of business you do? I don't understand. I really have one. I don't know I'm chatting with her, you know. She better give me my money. Yes, man, me talk. And then she hide me from her live when she go live. She hide me from her stories, so I can't say if she put up nothing or what. So each time she put up something, I saw the people them screen record it and just send me in my DM. If she send up on live, them just screen record it and send me, so nothing on her hide where she has.
She tell me, she thief the page. She said she wants such and such for it. She thief the brand pick the page. And said she wants such and such for it. He said now such and such for me get such and such. But you know what, one business page, and she had 10 pages, say, alright,
Yeah.
you give this for that and this for that. So send me the page and they owe you $6,000 for the next one where you're going to send me. And you thief me without clap boy money. You're going to dead. You're going to dead.
She not give me back the
You rob
money.
somebody money, you thief. You're going to dead. You want him page or you want him money back. So much million people have followed boy, you thief boy page. You're going to dead. Look how long you thief you have it, Ivani. You want him page. And ranked up, you're going to raise up. You're too thief.
She get shot on here and she not get...
Where you get one here? Where you get one here? You know, satisfied. And your body, you're going to find your headless.
Them
You're going to find your headless and going to give back your page.
Somebody just post up everything, make
That's
everybody
why I want it
say,
and wait.
things and they're quiet and people.
Him a wait.
Yeah.
alive now.
Him a
So much
wait.
people funny.
Him a wait.
Sugar blood clot, baby.
You see, you know much people are sending me them receipt and then something. So she keep their money, we just have to post up everything. Ivani, you see if you know best for you, you send my money come. I mean, I don't like chatting video, just make me get my money.
Boy,
Just make me get my own.
Boy, you black him like
Because all of a sudden me have my personal page 118K and me just automatically come out of it so. And me no cost me, me no say nothing. Me just text her and me say, me can't go at my page disable and me want to go in it and ray.
I see you keep it.
And she said me to pay her X amount of money and she get it back. So me say, alright, time gone. And then me had look a promotion and the people them say they want a page. So me ask her how much she sell the page for. She tell me a price and I say, alright, I go pay for the page I'm gonna give half my money to get back my original page.
Yes.
Looks like she not sold properly. She
So
not
the
sold
girl,
properly, like,
you send the girl the money. The girl say, she have a clear page. All know me not see picture delete, no, not delete. Then I was she a clear off her page. So same so the girl where they Canada tell me say, when she send her the money, she tell her say, me go text her in a few, and me go clear the page and make you get it and block the girl.
But she not supposed to take nobody page.
And she just a thief people them page, so you
Look
get my own.
Them sold out, them shut her body here. She not shut up, but she not sold good. She want go down in her ground. Why you cannot put money page?
Amount of money where Ivan here to take away from people. If I never put the argument to me, you could know who I want. Girl, find my own.
I look a girl where I sell her car.
Yeah. I want girl with the Canada.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, word out on social media is that Ivani is at it again. When them say at it again, I am wondering, because this video is out on social media where it is said that Ivani is or has been accused. You notice me say the word accused of scamming persons out there. So what I'm saying to you, no, let me say this again. Me said accused because guess what? A person is innocent until proven guilty, right? And it's not like say me that if you see what going, so me only can say accused. You get what I'm saying to you? Now for those who don't know who is Ivani, or for those who don't remember who is Ivani, I'm going to explain to you based on how I understand who they say Ivani be or who this person is, right? Now, to my knowledge, Ivani is a female that is well known on social media, throughout Jamaica social media mostly, and it is said that she had been responsible for hacking numerous of Instagram accounts, right? I don't know if there's any more details to what she had done or so forth, but that is what I know and I'm just telling you, isn't it? Now, there was a time it is said that she had been shot and injured, right? And there's been a bag of speculations as to why she had been shot and injured and all these things, all right? So that's all I remember and know about this female that is known as Ivani, all right? You don't know me dancer skill. I'm only there to keep you up to date and posted and make you know what I want. And me want just to tell you based on what has been said on social media, and what has been said is that Ivani is at it again, all right? Yeah. And you can let me know what you think, all right? So until the next time, my name is Dancer Skiller. Wanna big up on yourself, that's it. Not like I'm here enough. Whole heap of here enough.